Dotty the puppy bounces in the garden. Today is play day! Close up, Dotty's tail wags fast. She loves to play. A little hedgehog peeks out. "May I play too?" he asks. Coco, the cat, shakes her head. "You are too prickly," she says. The hedgehog's eyes get sad. He turns to go away. "Wait!" Dotty calls. "Everyone can play. I know a way." Dotty finds soft leaves. Prickles can be soft too. Ollie the owl hoots. "A friend with prickles is still a friend." They roll a big red ball with the hedgehog. He laughs. Barnaby the bear stomps softly. "Room for one more?" They all splash in the stream, prickles and paws together. Close up, the hedgehog smiles. Dotty wags her tail. Everyone can play, that is what friends do.